Anthony came to Pitch Club, practiced his product part of his pitch, and the last I heard, he's a keynote speaker at next month's Insurtech. Marie came to Pitch Club, practiced. The day after, she went to a demo day and got seed investment. Tusiime came to Pitch Club, practiced, expanded his network, and he was selected as one out of 200 African startups at a pitching event in Uganda. This is the power of pitching with a community. This is the power of following a pathway with structured support, demonstrations, and peer feedback. But we've reached a problem with Pitch Club. What do people do between our weekly sessions? We're suffering from churn, and we've reached a limit on how we can grow the community on LinkedIn. So we want to build the PitchClub Practice app. We want to create a digital bridge between our consistent events that we know work, and we want to build a game where people can easily, quickly set their pitching goals, set their durations, set their audience, and practice another pitch sprint wherever they might be. Could be 5 minutes waiting for the bus, could be a walk in the park, could be the first thing they do in the morning. And where are people going to use these improved pitching skills? Networking, fundraising, interviews, school assessment, podcasts, and all scale of events. People are pitching. So why are we doing this? Because we've done over 130 events on LinkedIn for Pitch Club, 250 in total since we started in summer 2019. And we know this system works. And I've worked with professionals at all of these organizations in China and now back in the UK, as well as with all of these startup groups. And I've seen amazing transformation. We want to help more people like Anthony, Marie, and Tusiime. In fact, millions more people enjoy their pitching. And we want to start with Innovate UK.